Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. With today is Wednesday, hump day. Half of the week is over and we're halfway to the weekend. So today what I want to do is I want to unbox my Birchbox. And of course you saw that in the thumbnail, but I'm really excited to see what's in Birchbox because I do like the sample size box. And so if you're interested in seeing, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys have been having a good week. And like I said, it is midweek now. We're on a downslope. And so keep up that positive attitude and a weekend will be here before you know it. And so as I was saying earlier, I do have my Birchbox today. And this is different from my Birchbox Skin Lab. This is just my monthly box. So I want to see what's in here. And you know I always enjoy these sample size ones, and how much I ended up paying for this is like equivalent to $8 a month because there was a deal on it if you got it for the whole year. And so you just have to look for it, and I'll go ahead and put the link below that has one of those specials in it in case you're interested in checking it out. Okay, but before we get going, where's my phone? We need to do some affirmations. Okay, let's see what we got. I need to cancel one of my apps because they're almost identical now and they're with the same company, and I'm on a, I think, 30-day free trial, so I have to remember to cancel one because same things could come up. So, okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. And this is, I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty dark, right? So, what it says is, my strength lies in my confidence. My strength lies in my confidence. And that is so very true, especially for me, because, you know, it's like the old adage, right, that says, don't let them see you sweat. And so even though if you may not be feeling confident, if you can just get through whatever situation you're in and exude that confidence, you have strength there. Because, you know, when people see others with confidence, that right there in their mind, that person is strong, that person is intelligent, and that person is, you know, probably likable, right? And so, yeah. And my strength does lie in my confidence. And when I approach anything, I try to do it with confidence. And how do I do that? I prepare for whatever it is, right? And so if I'm doing a presentation at work, or if I'm teaching a large group of doctors or nurses or whatever, I make sure I know my stuff. And that gives me confidence. In turn, that is my strength. So same thing with anything, not even just work, but at, you know, at home or whatever, right? When you're dealing with people that you may not be really comfortable with in the beginning, you know, get to know them, get to know what they like, what you need to talk about and things like that. At least to get to know them, approach them with confidence, and your strength to be follow right along with it. Okay, so this is pretty good. And these are the little things that people don't think about. I know I don't think about them in these terms, but I know I can relate to them because I do make sure that I am confident, or at least I present myself to be confident if I'm not, right? And so that way, that is my strength. So it's very important. And at times, you know, I mean, life is life. Not in every situation you're going to have time to prepare, or not in every situation you're going to be comfortable, right? But just don't let them see you sweat. Fake it till you make it. That's the best suggestion I can give you. So, yep, pretty good. Okay, let's move on to the Birchbox. And as you guys know, while I'm doing this, this is the one that opens here, here, and here, and that usually gets messed up. I think they fixed the box last time, remember? I hope. And so, before since I'm opening this now, I just want to talk about, I hit 855. And there's 855 beautiful wildflowers as we speak now, and hopefully it'll stay that way. And as I said, if I stayed even at 850 for a few days, I mean, I would like to go ahead and pick the winner. But what I plan to do Don't hold me to it because things can happen, as you know. But I like to release the winner on Mask Monday, ladies, because it's a new week and somebody will be very happy about that. And so I'm going to try for them. But don't hold me to it. I may do it a day early or something like that. I won't do it any later than that. But I should say any video from tomorrow to Monday. Look for it, okay? So, all right. I think they fixed it because look, it came apart in one piece, each of them. Okay, box within a box. Okay, and I like that they do a box within a box because I don't want, I mean, even though this is a nice box, I mean, I like to keep these boxes to gift. And I mean, even though it says Birchbox, I tell them it says Birchbox, but it's not Birchbox, okay? It's just a nice box I wanted to give you. And on the back, it does say reuse me or recycle me on all of theirs. So anyway, as I was saying, it depends on when you get this box, prices change and you could get good deals, and you may want to continue checking. As I said, I'll go ahead and put the deal that I have currently below, but if you look around maybe holiday times after Thanksgiving, it might get cheaper. I don't know though, okay? And so alrighty, as I open the box, here's a little card, and let's go ahead and put on some glasses so I can see. Okay, what does this say? It says the official pause button hall pass 4, and you put your name there. So I guess it says leave it in, just spray it, treatment yourself. You see, I did, that wasn't me. That's how it's written. And get some air, massage your face, get excited, and support Brown Girls Jane's Brown Girl Swap. Okay. It must be because of what's in here. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And so let's see. They look like they're all bestsellers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, except for one. Okay. And so it comes really nice in the seafoam green wrapping. And as I say, they do come like this. And, I expect them to be deluxe travel size, and they never give you anything like those envelopes or those foil type of things. So I like that. So let's go ahead and check it out because I saw this one stood out. This is kind of cute. And this is by Ditto, I think. Okay. I don't want to drop it because it looks like eyeshadow or pigment of some kind. It's well wrapped. That's one thing I like about that too. And let's see. Oh, this is very interesting. It's called Ditto, and it is actually sealed all the way around. So I'm not going to open it because I don't keep single shadows. But this is called the Ice Cube Shadow, and it's in Starry. And a full size would be $7.99. And this is full size. Okay. Have a little fun with this eyeshadow that delivers high pigment in a single stroke. It is easy to blend and can be applied with just your finger or with a brush if you prefer. And so this is very cute. Yeah, it's like a purpley and it's got little spickles in there. I bet this is very nice. So yep, but it is sealed, guys, and I want to give it away. So yeah, because I don't keep single shadows. Okay, that's that. And the next one here is one of my favorites, and this is a texturizing spray. I must have a million of these though because I can't possibly use this many of them, but I love this brand. It is an expensive brand also, and so it's by Oribe, and this is one of the best-selling items, and it's dry texturizing spray. The full size would be $48. What this is part dry shampoo, part texturizer, and it's a multitasker that soaks up oil and gives hair and body bounce. You spray it about 4 to 5 inches from your roots and toss it into a maximum lift. So yeah, that's what it says at least. $48. Actually, you know what? I do have a full-size one. I have a very full-size one that I haven't even opened yet because I have tons of these samples. But you know what? I want to share this. So I'm going to go ahead and, instead of keeping them, I'm going to go ahead and put them in a giveaway. And I don't mind because I do have, the full-size one's like this tall. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is by Dr. Lip, and I've gotten this before and I really liked it because I read the name and I'm like, what? It's called the Original Nipple Balm. Yeah, for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. And it's 100% natural. Here it is. But it does work great on the lips. And this multi-purpose 100% natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothes sunburns, tames unruly brows and nourishes thirsty cuticles. So it looks like it's got a little strip on there that makes it look pink, but it's not. It's actually clear. And so yeah, this is kind of, I can throw this in a giveaway just as a little extra kind of fun thing. So yeah, put this aside. Okay, the next thing in my box, and this is one of my favorite brands, and it's called Nature Lab Tokyo, and this is Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. Oh, I don't think I've used their treatment before. I used their scrubs and their gloss, but this is Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. Full size would be $16, which is very reasonable. Deeply straightened hair with lightweight leave-in. Nutrient-rich oils and vegan keratin leave the hair softer and healthier. Used as the first step in clean, damp hair. You know, I'm going to try it because I love their brand. My husband loves their brand. He uses the scalp scrub, and I mean, it's really good. And they have, I think they're, I forgot what technology they use. Does it say here? No. It's like an NT technology or something like that. And this one is actually, is it bamboo cell? I think so. It's got a little thing here, but I can't, it's too small for me to see. So yeah, but it is actually very good brand. I'm going to go ahead and keep this because I do like this brand and I want to try it because I have not used their color safe leave-in treatment. So yep, I'll go ahead and keep that. And then the last thing in the box is a, ooh, I like that. It's called Dr. Botanicals PO mask. PO, P-O mask. Okay. And let's see, it says it's a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Full size would be $9.90. This sleeping mask, rich in vitamin C and pomegranate, is perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. Apply a thin layer and leave on overnight. Okay, I can do that. Did you guys hear that? That was like a military helicopter just doing a flyby. Man, it must be doing a map of the earth or something because it was pretty low. Did you hear it? Ah, okay. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, as I was saying, this is a leave-on mask. And let me take a look and see because I'm going to go ahead and keep it. Oh, it's sealed too. Yay. So, but you know, the thing is I don't use an overnight mask. I wonder if I can use it like during the day because the reason why I say that is because at night I use my tretinoin or Retin A, and I don't like to put anything on top of that. So, I don't know, maybe I can. Sleep rich in vitamin C and pomegranate. See, the vitamin C should not go on with my Retin A, so you know what? It's a overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. You know what I can do? I can go ahead and try this. I just do without my Retin A one night. And I just put this on to see how it works because I'm really curious because I do like pomegranate. I mean, to eat too because it's full of vitamin C. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. And look, they even put a little like look how well they packaged this. They put little like a foam down here too. I appreciate that. Okay, what did I get? I got the Dr. Botanical PO mask, overnight mask, and then Dr. Lip overnight nipple balm. Weird name, but okay. That's what it says though. Okay, and Oribe dry texturizing spray. Okay, and excited about this one. Perfect repair leave-in treatment. But look at the size of this. This thing is like large for, you know, a sample. Enough for me to figure out if it's, you know, going to be good or not. And this is a Ditto eyeshadow. And you know what, guys? You notice I broke my nail. I was trying to open. Look. You know, I was trying to open. What was I trying to open? Like a bozo. My husband looked at me. My nail went fly. He said, I think you broke your nail. I'm like, I did. He said, why don't you just ask me? Just ask me to open it. And then the thing is, you know, he wants me to ask him to do everything for me. It's just I like to do things for myself. But, you know, he's sweet. Anyway, so, yeah. So, what did you think about this box? I mean, I like it. For $8 a month, I'm not going to complain. And you know what? These are brands I do know, though, and things that I've tried. Come on. Oribe, Tokyo Labs. I mean, Dr. Lip, Ditto, know about that too, and Dr. Botanicals, all known products. And so this is the reason why $8 it's worth it for me. And this is another reason why I hate to keep saying it, but reason why I don't get IPSY Glam Bag anymore, because I rarely know the stuff they send me, and usually their samples are teeny tiny. And by the way, I was really excited about getting the Sunday Riley's, the teeny tiny vitamin C in an orange tube. And I saved it because that's one product I tried out of a bag and I was really happy with it. So I said, oh, I got another one. Great. I'm going to try it. And when my vitamin C runs out, I'm going to go ahead and use it. Well, when I opened it, you could tell it'd been opened, and I don't know if it got loose or something in the shipping, but it was all like crusty around the side of the tube. I'm like, seriously, IPSY? Yeah, not happy. So anyway, yeah, those little things matter to me. And yeah, it is what it is. But like I said, for $8 a box, ow, pulling a China shop, or $10 even, it's still a lot better, right? Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, as I said, I have reached 850. Let's see if I stay there, and I will go ahead and no later than Monday reveal the winner. I can't promise you it will be on a Monday. I'm going to try for Monday, but it could be any time between Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, okay? Because it's when I can get that video up. So, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you still have time to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a new video, and you can even enter the giveaway. Alrighty then. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower, and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.